Asokore Mampong. A friend of Honorable Muhammad Al Jarrah. PM, Mechiao.
Yeah, good morning.
Na apom to saying.
Bacho Boko now also.
Nyame adom bibia boko. Bacho, we are elected assembly member and also we are appointee.
Yes, I'm an elected assembly member, representing Asabi electoral.
And Bacho,
Asabi, baby, are more KFC.
Okay. And I'm sure Sabia. How many times now we as assembly member?
Oh, my first time.
Oh, first time only. And now wakoye PM.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Oh yeah, dear. The boy basso. Oh yeah, dear pa. Now, 24-hour economy market cost war. Asokore Mampong. Assembly, the General Assembly, they are munim about this project and the siting of the project. And in the Akoma, they are munim about it.
I think it's important to put the PRO contest. Now, you can approve the large budget. Now, one of the items approved it, that is the quantum of money offered means me the total amount of money that we approve for the 24-hour market. I think at the time, it was clearly indicated or Ababu, but we don't know the specific area until 2 months ago, where the older Ababu market was treated, was broken down, and then the impasse between the assembly and the bank facility over there became knowledge.
PM Pacho, Maunesuma Miwana, say Anopadi, but Samaba, I was a
24-hour economy, now about a general assembly meeting. Say, Scabi, the Frank, Abaya Municipal Assembly, no say, MP assassination, 24-hour market. Hello, TM.
Mitiopa PM.
So they have to make budgetary allocation for that. He came, but honestly, I cannot offer speak to the figures because I'm currently not having the documents before me.
That's fine.
So
That's
maybe
fine.
at a later date I can cross check and give you the accurate
That's fine.
figures. Now, approving. And then the accompanied site was Ababu. But now me name the exact place until 2 months ago where Omuko Ababu market, old market, Omububu market na site was handed over to the contractor. Now ya communicate say Omube handing over of site to the contractor some date be Yambra. Na me cry, my name say Oma cancel, Oma postpone to a later date. No honor me friend me FNA. So no me communicate no na me waha. No so Oma said date no tea. The new date that will come for the handing over of site to the contractor no. Eba enyina yansa beka bi so that let me abeta ejumanoichi na manti review but subsequently
one she build does it mean say omo hand it over said you know omo kana na omo here without ne general assembly no knowledge
uncle uncle definitely to be a public knowledge.
Okay, but omo start here juma so ya we so one start here juma ne.
Yes. Yeah, I'm aware, and the issues of the bank, the impasse between the bank and the assembly, so is something that is also taking place. And on a bank for no friend, this is their challenge, blah 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 blah. So me catch on say there are so many.
No, so much challenge there then.
Say, more time. and they want to know the designs. If they can maintain the place they are currently occupying. So say plan no any their designs no. They can also, even if they want to spend something, they almost get to me as ready.
True.
So that to say to suit their style. And according to them, say Omwanya or they were not giving hearing. Many MCE didn't come no. In fact, what me say Omatina more than 4 times. Time be amu from no didn't come. Omudi call area for a copy baby ama temporarily. So that occupy all it's we no more saba. Omaja tumna, Antoana mobia, gusu operative from this old place. And nim resa, pese ya de intent for na omama let us say soaring floor so that they can come and start the work. And the bank was reluctant. But say uti abaya asase na assemblies no to me in Act 925 no land and special me enforce the laws no more asase no, especially where it is a public land. And I think the section 176 or so of the Local Governance Act also permit the assemblies to take up these lands, provided they are public lands and then maybe somebody is occupying it. So I think the assembly is enforcing that. I think that's what I know for the contract.
And assembly no here in this matter. More the General Assembly and now the MCE can take that decision. Is it General Assembly nebe enforce? And I said the MCE nebe enforce Saudi working now.
Yeah, so with all these things, the MCE is tasked to see the day-to-day activities of the assembly. But there are some of the things you cannot go into pull. There are certain structures you have to come to General Assembly to approve for you to do. And there are certain, actions that you take. They require immediate steps to take decisions. So after all those things,
so in this situation, in this situation, and as I said, these enforcement are working. In some situations, yes, you said they're working. If you also say about General Assembly, one of them is a structure, no, baby a one, illegal. Then a threat to the safety of the public. These are emergency cases. Probably the assembly, as in the MCE, can take steps. Say, enforce it.
Exactly.
But so in this case, educators, what should have been the process in this case? Where the project is not threat to the lives within the area.
With this one, I can give you in the same lane where the 24-hour economy market is being cited. You go down to closer to Pelele, there is a building around that area that is so weak that they needed to take immediate action. And then fortunately, we were having a General Assembly, and that was captured in our agenda. So we discussed it, and then we approved for the MCE.
PM, wama china do so mami why? Na say be ya duty e beti ase na.
Wanga sa oda Roma, me chini e sheda e clear.
Enya shinti wo dia wo kika bo mu e be fa ne sa why?
Yo mati, me dasi. Na me si uba 24-hour economy market no a. Utra o be ko Pelele no. Na ye wa abunsan bi o ho. Esi wo chepa. Ufa it developed a lot of cracks and they needed to pull the house down, but MCE needed that backing from the General Assembly. So, fortunately, at that time, the General Assembly, MCE Chiromo, Omuse, Omo, Omoba, and when Omuse, Ombe, Jumakra. At that time, the guy capture your agenda, say, be discuss it, they approve so that we can go and pull the house down. Omoba, almost say, Mankasabe, Omadi. And they are going to barricade the place to start work. That is one instance. But with the instance of the 24-hour economy, assembly no bet me enter any demolition. The most important thing you say at the time either you be free the MCE be kwa ye winning na we are a general assembly now explain it to us. That is the point. Assembly members no be sorry abisa the cost incurred and then the rationale behind that, whether ample time was given and those things. The law no and that time. The law does not give time to you to tell the occupants of the area. It says that you can go and demolish, or you can demolish and surcharge the occupants of the place, or you would authorize them to go and demolish themselves, so that you don't bear any cost. In case you bear cost, you have to surcharge them so that they pay for it. And until we the General Assembly about the demolition. But me ojire say Beko General Assembly be next week no MCE bet me incorporate.
No, so General Assembly so the eternal say more assembly no say General Assembly mo nya aware
what ye no ye approve budget no
and no kwa na munim
is the 24-hour economy. Beyond this no Amba Assembly so far, because from that period your General Assembly, I'm afraid special na emergency or ordinary meeting from that point, So me ojiri say by the time General Assembly, MCE will capture this in his sessional address, because he antimanya your first session.
And General Assembly, no more who can say mo bebusa question.
Oh yeah, that time
Okay.
kura sisi akura assemblyman makura someone beat me afre abisa and I will beat me actual for details of even the contract, the contractor, the tender board committee minutes. Assemblyman, it's not only assembly member that can do that. Any citizen of Ghana, say Ube Kai Act 936, Section 47 is very clear in terms of information release and information flow. Who trauma coordinating director is she has to release those details to anybody, not just an assembly member.
Enti PM said the can bank no or say or throw letters edema assembly ni say enye so omon kaso mu betu kɔ de ombeko nemom ba bia ye de omko ye no ɛhɔ ɛwɔ sɛ wɔn furnish that area no mutimi hu sɛ hɔ no ayɛ ready ɛne yɛ one. Number two, ɔmo bebie more or less ɔmo move to a different place into also ɔmo try to regulate a Bank of Ghana no approve the more ɔmo nyɛ sɛ ɔmo so atom
to mean to us I no one move you
yes into also ɔmo try this is and when in yama na ama a delay and sankrata ni nyinaa no ɔmo wɔ evidence ɛkyerɛ sɛ ɔmo de sankrata ni nyinaa kɔ ɛde akɔ Akoma Assembly no. In this situation, Assembly no NTA wakɔ bu the entire structure na gu, including ɔmo sika, because ɔmo anya access to the place ɔmo bɛ clear ɔmo nneɛma ewom. Everything bi akɔ down, ɔmo sika kɔ, ɔmo computers kɔ, bibia yɛ ɔmo agyapadeɛ ɔmo bia no yɛ dwere gu. Assembly no that be Assembly ni beboka. General Assembly mu position ewo sade we hunu anopen koma ayedi no. Ede na mu betimi di aye ana mu betimi aye as the General Assembly no. Ewo sa de ekoso yi a se bank no prepare say wode the entire assembly ebeko court.
It's important say my own education. If the land belongs to the assembly and you occupy it, the assembly gives you time to leave the land. Now now assembly will be a demolition. I don't think I envisage any serious financial loss to the assembly, because there are the the law will be on the side of the assembly, regardless of the time period they give to the bank to move. And until with that one, the assembly will be take serious interest or these kind of actions, Yes, a bit income, a bit bisa questions. And then we also advise that sometimes we should have patience and time for people. At least if it has come to my attention as a presiding member, the bank had even written to me, because I'm the chairman of the Public Complaints Relations Committee of the Assembly, which Roma may say I should intervene. I believe I would have been able to meet with the MCE and then ask him to allow them to start work somewhere while these people are operating and preparing their other place. Unfortunately, I've not heard anything, and the assembly did not also tell us anything, because the power is vested in the MCE to see the day-to-day activities. Until you see things and confront, or you go to General Assembly, there are so many things. Once we don't go there, you will not be in position to know. And until we take a strong interest in the matter, and then we ensure that the right things will be done when we meet at the General Assembly. I think there has been one demolition which I complained that we're not in the know, and at least we should be given some information before those demolition. At that point, the MCE agrees that but unfortunately, when so abanti, a bit take strong interest. Now, they are advocating. Only court for no catch almost say Omonia Botre, or more BBBA, obey me. Are requesting for assembly members meeting. Obviously, assembly members almost sure movie so they can put forward their concerns and then challenges. Assembly members will have fair idea going into the assembly meeting so that they can also argue and then fight for the right things to be done.
PM Yadasi Anope.
Miss Umidasi.
Amazingum.
Sir John. Sir John, PM no kasa na okasa ye no. Say ye lawyer for the bank no ATR